these two teams will be out there.
All right, that's where we put a full stop to today's bulletin, but I'm joined by a wonderful team of young Kenyans who are very energetic here. What is the name of this school?
Goldfields School.
Where is Goldfields School coming from?
Migori.
Migori. Migori is county number? 44, okay? So Migori, you are well represented right here, and Goldfields School, amazing young ladies and gentlemen, they have paid us a courtesy visit, and what a privilege to have them. Asanteni sana kwa kuja, and thank you for participating in News Desk. My name is Noah Kipkemboi. Our sign language interpreter is Pretty Janet. Can you tell our News Desk audience bye? All right, see you in our subsequent bulletins. Asanteni sana. All right? All right. That's it.